Okay, this is a new series I'm starting in 2023, and that is improving um, popular fast food items. And I figured the best way to start is with a legend, and that is the legendary McDonald's French fries. Can I make them? Can I improve them? Well, we're going to find out. Well, actually, if anything, I don't know if I'm improving them, but more making them in the way that they used to be made. Now, they used to be made with beef tallow, but then some whiny crybaby vegetarian or vegan asshole got all pissy about it, and the fries have never changed the same. So I'm not going to use beef tallow. I'm going to fry these fries in lard. As you can see here, I've got 2 pounds of lard that is melting over about medium heat. You want this oil to get to about 350, 375, somewhere in there. Okay, and as you can see, the lard's all melted. Got to that 350, 375 sweet spot. And you just want to add a couple of handfuls at a time. The reason you don't want to overfill is you want to leave about that much space between where the oil line is and where the top of the pot is. Because obviously if it goes over, you run a huge fire risk. So basically you just want to keep an eye on these. Should take a couple of minutes. And when they're done, season with salt and pepper. And then just kind of leave in a bowl. So, all right, let's move on to the finished product. And that's pretty much it. Seasoned with salt and pepper, tossed around. And I gotta tell you, these fries were fucking fantastic. Far better than oil. But to be completely fair, it is kind of a pain in the ass because you can't dump this down the drain. You have to wait for it to solidify, dig it out, put it in the trash. So while the fries are a better product, it is a pain in the ass. All right, that's McDonald's French fries improved. Done.